Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 46 Deane Street, Apartment 2 in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom apartment located in the downtown area of New Bedford. We are currently in the first bedroom. As you can see, we have beautiful dark hardwood floors. The apartment is heated by baseboard heaters, as you can see ahead. We have the front entrance here. To the left, we have plenty of windows for nice natural lighting. Parking is on-street parking for this apartment. The walls have been freshly painted. You can see it has a closet in this room. Moving forward, we have the living room parlor area. Immediately to the left, we have a little storage closet. You can see the baseboard heater as well. This apartment is cable ready with multiple hookups. Moving on to the kitchen dining room area, we can see this matching countertop and gas stove with the range next to plenty of cabinet space both above and below. We have the beautiful stainless steel sink. You can see the tile floor throughout this kitchen dining room area. We also have an additional storage closet here and a black refrigerator to match the countertop and stove. Going on to the bathroom, we can also see that it has tile floor as well as a tile wall for the shower and bathtub. We have the little soap dish straight ahead. We have a large kitchen sink with a cabinet below, as well as a medicine cabinet with a mirror. And finally, the toilet to the right. To the left of the bathroom, we have the second bedroom. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms, ideally suited for a child's room or an extra office space. We have a closet straight ahead. This room also has a cable hookup. Perfect if you're setting up a television or internet service. And the baseboard heater as well. Every room does have a baseboard heater, keeping the apartment warm in the cold seasons. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as an online login where you can pay rent online and contact staff for non-emergency purposes. You will also have access to a 24-hour hotline number for emergency repairs and maintenance. We also offer other services such as key copying. Again, this is 46 Deane Street, Apartment 2 in New Bedford, Massachusetts.